The government has sharply raised Korea's 2026 real GDP growth forecast to 3% from the previous 2%, while nominal gross domestic product is projected to reach a 30-year high of 12.3%.
정부가 올해 실질 국내 총생산 성장률 전망치를 기존 2%에서 3%로 대폭 상향하는 한편 명목 GDP 증가율을 뜻하는 경상 성장률도 30년 만에 최고치인 12.3%로 전망했습니다. Tell us more.
Right. So the government has raised its 2026 economic growth forecast to 3%. They're citing strong domestic, I'm sorry. This was according to the Ministry of Finance and Economy. And they said that the adjustment to the real gross domestic product growth rate, it's reflecting, of course, the big semiconductor export boom due to the artificial intelligence-driven boom that we've been seeing lately. And the nominal growth rate, which does not account for inflation, is projected to reach a 30-year high of 12.3%. So building on this momentum, the government says that it is intending to raise the nation's potential growth rate to 3% by 2030 from its current level of less than 2%. And it said that it will accelerate its 3 recently announced quote-unquote mega projects, which include semiconductors and AI, and designate new initiatives related to rechargeable batteries and sensors as part of its strategy to achieve a super innovation economy.
지금 이제 second half에 접어들면서 경제 전망치가 나온 거죠. 정부 차원에서. 그래서 3% 경제 성장률을 기대한다, 예상한다. 또 그렇게 목표로 삼고 있다. 이렇게 어제 발표를 했습니다. 그래서 6개월 전 이제 the first half 때는 2% 경제 성장률을 예상했었거든요.
Yeah.
그러니까 그때보다 상당히 많이 이제 상향 조정을 해서 경제 성장할 것이다라고 내다보고 있는 것인데 this projection is higher than other agencies as well.
Right.
다른 데서 내다본 우리나라의 경제 성장률 전망치보다도 좀 높은 수치입니다. 그걸 달성할 수 있는 것이 이제 또 나라의 목표이기도 하다. 이런 발표도 어제 있었고요.
Yep.
실질 GDP 그다음에 이제 명목 GDP
Right.
이런 표현들이 나오는데 실질은 영어로 그냥 real 하면 돼요. 그래서 이제 경제 용어로 real GDP라고 하면은 이제 물가를 감안한 국내 총생산이 되겠고 그다음에는 이제 명목 GDP라고 해서 영어로는 nominal GDP. 근데 이거는 물가를 감안하지 않은
Right.
국내 총생산이 되겠죠.
Yeah, it's basically the total value of everything that a country produces.
All right, well, let's have a look at something moving sharply.
When something moves sharply, it's used, this is an adverb that's used to describe actions. It can be movements or conditions that are very sudden, severe, or clearly defined. So when we say that they raise something sharply, that means the figure has gone up by a large amount,
Yeah.
a significant amount.
Because to go up from 2 to 3 is a very big jump.
Yeah.
So they said they raised the projection. 전망치를 올렸다. 어떻게? 대폭. sharply. 그래서 급격히, 아주 많이라는 의미로 보실 수 있겠고요.
Right. And in the same way, you can say that someone made a sharp turn. And that means it's a rapid sort of a sudden turn. And someone can also talk sharply to you.
Okay.
And that would be someone talking in a very mean sort of way.
자, sharply는 부사입니다. 네, sharp 하면은 형용사가 되겠죠. What about a 30-year high?
Yeah, a 30-year high. So this would be like a statistical, benchmark, and it kind of represents the highest point or a price or a rate, a specific metric. And they're saying that it has reached that highest point in 3 decades.
30년 만에 최고치다. 이 최고치. 가 바로 high입니다. 그래서 이게 명사로 우리가 high를 말하면 가장 높은 숫자이기 때문에 날씨에서 제일 많이 쓰죠. 오늘의 최고 기온은 최저 기온은 할 때 today's highs will range between X and Y and today's lows will range between whatever. 이렇게 표현을 하죠. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. The government has sharply raised Korea's 2026 real GDP growth forecast to 3% from the previous 2%, while nominal gross domestic product is projected to reach a 30-year high of 12.3%. All right, let's move on to the second headline now.